What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're gonna open up, get a close-up look, and then race the brand new Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack. On the back of the packaging, we have the names of all 5 cars included in this 5-pack. Guys, we're at the track and we've got all 5 cars lined up and ready to go. Lotus, Lamborghini, Pagani, Lamborghini, and Aston Martin. All of them right there. We'll mix up the order in the other races, but we are doing a best of 3. First car to win 2 races is our champion. Here we go. Race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! The Aston Martin takes race number 1. Let's line them up and run them again. All right, guys, we've mixed up the order for race number 2. Let's get them all set and ready to go. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. The Aston Martin V8 Vantage is your fastest car from the 2019 Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car.